Ubingelele baba udokotela baba uSizwe bawujabula umfana muhle ungathi ikhehla lomlungu ngumzukulu wamancengezi. Siyabonga isupport esinayo. Siyabonga kakhulu baba udokotela. Uba lapha endabuko ngisenzele building twin Nedbank House building sise dark room studio number 1 19th floor 1905. Ubaba udokotela lapho ke esebenzela khona. Uyazi bakithi ngezwe ningithinta kancane nithi baba udokotela you were talking about i-roll on kanti inani i-roll on njengoba ngafuni siyisebenzise. Hey makethi kodliwe ingane. Ama roll on lawa cheap. The reason why they smell actually. Yabona isikhathi uyivula. Oh my goodness, it smells so nice. Do you know why it's smelling so nice? It's a fragrant that is synthetic. That fragrant, it is not FDA approved. That fragrant, it quickly absorbed with your lymphatic glands. That fragrance does not dissolve, it augments, iyabonda ngaphakathi, iyabonda and start to ihambe negazi ibond ihambe negazi kanjalo. Number 1, ngisakhuluma nje nge-fragrant. Why it smells so nice? That is lama roll on cheap ngempela bathi simusha imali mase sithenga izinto ezithe kubiza. There is this thing, this is ibiza ukuthi zirconium aluminum. Umdala nje na. Yini lena eyenza ukuthi uma ufaka i-roll on ungajuluki for 24 hours ekhwapheni? Yini le block ama sweat glands akho from functioning? It is a zirconium aluminum. It's bad for your body. It is bad for your body. That is why uyathi mina le roll on nje la ingenza amathumba. No, umzimba wakho was bouncing back the heavy deposit of what is called zirconium aluminum. Go and check now le roll on esetshenziswa ingane yakho njoba unengane yenza grade 7 manje. Yini manje iqedwe ukufaka roll on inuka iphase shilonke ukuthi usuye esikoleni yini ngoba phela usale uzwana kusekunuka roll on because of heavily deposited fragments that are synthetic, not good for your kids. That is why sithola ukuthi abantu abadiabetic be-resista kwi-medication abanikwa yona because of aluminum within their immune system. Aluminum, does not melt, does not dissolve, it stays. Cause painful of your joints, inflammation of your joints, brain damage sometimes. That is why asifuni ukukhuluma ngento eningi because believe you me, you'll be literally shocked if singakutshela yonke into. Ngeke uphinde udle ulettuce mase ngakutshela uline okhanyayo ukuthi ulettuce. What are you eating there? You really don't know. Ukuthi nje udla nje amaqanda emnenke. Ulettuce is not cooked. Udla imnyundu, amaqanda emnyundu. They call it worms, eggs, snail eggs that are all laid there in your lettuce. That is what you're eating. We cannot be telling you everything. Certain things are just for us too late. Ngoba singagcina singenabo abantu sibalapha abantu mesibatshela yonke into. Ungathiwa sibatshele yonke into ngempela sibagcina abantu sebengazi ukuthi bazohlala. Yabo thereafter funa siyeke kukhule nokhula sobona ntambama selishona ilanga. That's all. Sobona ntambama selishona ilanga ukuthi kwenzekani. Abona bangakutshela konke uline omhlophe. Amanzi ephuza aphuma kweVatercan ngeke uphinde uwaphuze. You rather spend money uhambe uthenga amanzi ngo5 liter azophuza. Ngeke awu understand. This is baba Dr. ngikho kwelapha. Good people, lezi zinto lezi kumele ukuthi nizazi ngoba ezinye izinto nje awuzazi ngoba uzoba nemali, but certain things wefuna uzazi. Ubone futhi ukuthi yazi lento that I learned from that stupid guy called baba udokotela baba uSizwe bawujabula mfana omhleja yakhe Musa. It makes sense today. Yabona ngoba uma ezinye izinto sizozithatha very serious sogcina singakwazanga ukuthi senze ezinye izinto. A good dog that inja nje enhle, big dog, beautiful one, ngiyithanda ke nje. A very disciplined dog. If usuyinika ithambo emlomeni ayikhonkoti. I repeat, inja kahle meqhamuka isigebengu ikhonkothe mekhonto engayiboni kahle ikhonkothe. That is a good dog, disciplined dog. When it sees you, it comes, jump to your car, play around, ijizungeza imoto uvula isicabha ikudlalise. It's a beautiful dog. But if ukhona umuntu oseyiphonsela ithambo emlomeni, it will stop doing that. It will stop doing that because isinethambo emlomeni. Inja ikhonkothe nethambo emlomeni. Anyone who has taken a bribery will stop to perform his or her duties precisely because he has taken bribe and now is looking away. Sinabantu abaningi abanamathambo emlomeni akusasebenzeki nabo. Kunento engisafuna ukuthi kona ilokhu eyenzeka la kaMasipala le kuthiwa amanzi wakhokhela uhafu bla 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 because nginenhliziyo soft ne-IFP. Enye into angifuni ukuthi bengiyikhuluma imise izoba distracted njengoba beza ucampaign okhethweni ngithi mina nikwazi ukucampaign nje because you people who lied, we got proof, we got this, we got this, we got this. Ngisazozikhanselisha nami ukuthi ngiyilethe yini kwi-channel, ngiyikhulume yini kwi-channel ngalento abayenza bethi amanzi wakhokhela kanje ungakhokhela kanje. Ngisayidayishisa but inkatha, believe you me, umsebenzi wayo wenza ngiyawuthanda kakhulu. I don't see myself using this channel in order to destroy them. Nginabantu abasebukholweni ophezulu benkatha esinobudlelwano obuhle kakhulu nabo abazothuka ukuthi kodwa babudodela ubungeke wenze ngenye indlela kunokuthi usilambaste i-channel yakho ibe nabantu abangaka. What is the meaning of that? Mase siyama election abantu they always play your videos ukuthi nenzani emkhandlweni wenkatha lapha eThekwini. Ngisafuna ukuthi ngiqale ngiyidigest ukuthi what is the meaning of that. Banayo inamba yami, they call always baba WhatsApp, then si dissolve, supposed to dissolve. Kodwa nje angifuni ukuyikhuluma kwe-channel ngoba njengoba ngithi inkatha ngine soft spot na very very soft spot nobuholi bakhona ikakhulukazi usoka lesomnyamane ingane zakhe ngesikhathi sobhubhane lelo khona ezinye zazilanda treatment kumina abanye babefika bengibona ngenze boardroom nomnyamane and then if I use this channel to destroy abantu abafana labayana but lento enziwa la kuMasipala le kuthiwa yamanzi ngoba sine proof different ukuthi kuzofika 10 sikhuluma mase isikhathi right this is babu Dode engisho ukuthi a good dog lena yangempela inje enza umsebenzi wayo imisine ethambo emlomeni. Sinamakhansela namhlanje namathambo emlomeni awasakhongothi. Sinamaphoyisa namhlanje namathambo emlomeni awasakhongothi. Ziningi izinto othumese sezenzekile ithambo selisemlomeni ingane yakhe ayisakwazi ukuthola NSFAS because sekunethambo elisemlomeni sekufakwa abantu abarongwa NSFAS. Laba kufuze ukuthi balegit bangena ngempela bangama offender bangena lutho abakwazi ukungena ithambo selisemlomeni. This is Babu Dode, this is Bojabu. Yazi kunabantu abanga understand ukuthi ungalala embedeni wakho omuhle obizayo. I repeat, kunabantu abanga understand ukuthi ungalala embedeni wakho omuhle obizayo. But kunesikhathi la kufuna ukuthi uguquke khona. I repeat, kunesikhathi la ekufuza ukuthi umulele embedeni ubuye uphenduke phela ulale ngolunye uhlangothi. Kunesikhathi la ofuna ubuye uphenduke ulale ngolunye uhlangothi. Uyazi kunesikhathi la sokuthi uwe embedeni. Uwe embedeni obizayo. Uwe embedeni osawukhokhela. Uwe embedeni nga100,000 oneyibhi khona yonke uwe ngoba uguquke kakhulu. Kodwa umuntu ondlale phansi noma angaguquka ka10 uzwa kubantu simende kodwa kawile. Awungilalele wena. Umuntu ondlale phansi noma angaguquka ka10 as long endlale phansi ngeke azawe kodwa loya olapha ya that person will fall. Kunabantu namhlanje sinabo abalele embedeni impilo yabo iyimpede phezulu. Yonke into abayenza bakade ukuthi bangawi ngoba mebewa kuzoba ihlazo sevuka phansi sebuyile embedeni. But kunabantu esinabo la namhlanje. They're doing very well. But abadefend ukuthi bangawi because lento abayenzayo wis. into abayilindele bona abalindele ukuvuswa la kuthi usungalala ke embedeni usulale kakhulu phansi. Ngifuna uzibuza ukuthi impilo yakho ekuyona manje are you defending ukuthi ungawe na, or you waiting for the right time ukuthi now I can climb to the bed and sleep like everybody, but njengamanje ngilele phansi, noma ngaguquka kanjani angiwe, noma ngalala ngapha futhi angiwe. Uma ngivuka lade ngilele khona kuyadisappear, ngigoqa yonke into, ungangena ungabuza uthi bengalele emude because bekulele mina khona. Kunomuntu bevuka ufuna njalo asusa ubufakazi, andlula umbhedo, uma ngawudlula umkhwelo busele ubufakazi ukuthi bekhona. Funa uzibuza ukuthi wena where are you standing currently? Yonke into yakho uma uqeda funa uvale bonke abantu ba bribe, undlala umbhede uba bribe ukuthi abangasho ukuthi bebe nawe. Kunayo kunezinto othi uma uhamba uma uzenza ugada ukuthi zingabona abanye abantu because you will fall if bengazibona. Wena ifoni yakho ayithintwa ngoba inaleza izithombe laba video. I-tablet yakho inama password ongeke uzwa confirm because inaleza izithombe. Kunabantu abangase babe ne-access lapha, ungawa kulombhedo lele kuona. Kuthiwa kanti unezithombe zezingane emafonini, unezithombe zento ukuthi emafonini, because of that you are defending ukuthi ngelilanga ngingawe, ngoba umifeke wawa phansi uzolimala, kuzoba nzima sekufuza uphinde ubuyele embedeni. Kanti umuntu olele phansi manje, lo lele phansi manje ulindele the right time ukuthi naye climb up. Angikwazi ke wena ukuthi ulele kuphi. I wish ukuthi ubulele phansi, ngoba ukuba ubulele phansi manje and your time is coming. When it is coming, no matter ngabe bathini, but lo sokuvusa uzokuthinta athi vula lembedeni, usulale kakhulu phansi, awugodolini lapho, akubhlungu lapho, wozolala embedeni, awusezukuwa. Ngoba into ekuyisa abantu embedeni wena ayisakuwisi, ulale kakhulu phansi. Ulale kakhulu phansi. Engisho ukuthi ufuna uyibuze into oyenzayo manje ukuthi am I sleeping on the bed that I'm defending ukuthi ngingawe, or ngisalele phansi one day when the time is right, the universe is calling, I will climb up and sleep on top of the bed. Ngathi wena ulele embedeni, indlela engikubuka ngayo ngathi ulele embedeni, and ungathi wena uyadefend ukuthi kungawe kulombhede. Kunabantu njalo hlezi ufuya ubasebenzisa ukuthi abakuvikele, they should not expose. The wise will learn from this teaching. This is Babu Dr. Babu says Bojalo Van Jacket and Zola Bangisang Solvit. Okay, 1st of April, I'm opening an online store. Ye fashion. Ngifuna ukuvula fashion, ukunvulela fashion, we call it BBD Men's Boutique. BBD Men's Boutique exclusive phela. Abantu besilisa phezulu besidayisa ama top, ayama suit, ayama track suit, ama shirt, not ama jacket. Ama shirt nama golf shirt, round necks phela. But for the abantu besilisa kuphela. And then we will open firstly online. When the time goes by, first we'll open in Polokwane because rent is not that bad there. Pretoria rent is same as in Durban. Thereafter, first shop I will open it in Polokwane as well as in Pretoria because rent is consumable. Yeah, ngifuna ukuvula nje i-boutique nje abantu besilisa bangibonile ukuthi abantu besilisa but discipline when it comes to into yokugqoka, and then abagqoka ama brand amane. Angifuni futhi lento okwenza abantu ezinyoni ngibagqokisa ama brand ayifake. No, mina ngikholela ukuthi indwangu yonke iphuma esihlahleni. Asekho isihlahla se-LV, asekho isihlahla se-Gucci, ihlahla nje. Mase kuzoba inka ababhaliwe ukuthi kubhalwe into efana nayo. But there is a possibility we can get to an exclusive. Ngeke sibe no S wengane, ngeke sibe so manje no M, no L, no M, no X, mase zoba double XL, mase zoba triple XL. 4 anginayisho sothola yini kule ma boutique eswafuna. But ngizobe ngenza nje i-Turkish angifuni ukuthi ngithi kuzobe ku-Italian now, it's just Turkish outfit because I learned from my friends they all buy, most of the time they buy in Turkey. They buy in Turkey. Sizonenzela ke leyo nto leyo. Then ngifuna lokho, dress exclusively, dress to appease, dress to be smart. Ubukwe kahle. Ngifuna ukuyenza ke lezi lonto leyo ngoba like lapheni ngina 30 years ngilapha, and then enye into ufuna uzibuza ukuthi le nto ukhathaleni yona. Yabo, njengoba ngiya nge-30 nje at least ufuna ngihlala esitolo ngibuka abantu bezolenganisa into zokugqoka baphuma bahambe futhi. Yeah, this is fine. This is Babu Dokotela. uyazi bangithi kunento esafanele siyilungise lesiphinde sikhulume according to employment equity ithi into umuntu ongaphezulu 35 ongamqashi uqasha anyone as 21 to 35 years because intsha ayisebenzi that is beautiful having youth kuphela emsebenzini lokho ufuna wazi ukuthi unabantu aba experience but ayikho iexperience onayo ongayithola kwenye indawo like a retired minister that's so good labo bantu engisho ukuthi uqasha abantu abadala efamily yakho noma enkampanini yakho noma emsebenzini wakho you gel up with people who's got experience ngeke uzwe kuthiwa sebenze ukuthi lokho engafuni ukusho ngeke uzwe kuthiwa sebenze ukuthi lokho engafuni ukusho and then le ngane esiziqashayo zilalana ema boardroom le ngane esiziqashayo zilalana ema toilet bedroom first time ufika iplastic yama condom elahliwe uthuke ungakholwa ukuthi is this my place uthi uyabuka kune camera lapha yana uthi uyasibuka iscreen simnyama icishiwe icamera lapha yakhishwa icable yiphi into enziwayo la business name uzolubuza bale la phepha olufica lapha la condom angisho ukuthi ake nibuke njoba seni bias sini racist inibazonda ngaka abantu abadala nithi ngeke uqashe ikhehla bazini la kodwa ungibuza ukuthi uyokuthola yini lokho ngeke uzokuthola ake sibuka I'm not against umthetho kahulumeni ukuthi abayekwe balambe bofela kude no methi umesho njalo uhulumeni bengasho kumina besho kunina nibazonda abantu abadala but ake sibukeni mesiqasha yazi mengiqasha umuntu ona 57 years old 3 years to 60 onengane manje engenayo imali yokubhalisa etertiary ngimqashe lo muntu ngimnikele imali engizomniyana ayisave ihambe ingane yakhe iyobhalisa but mina bengingamqasha ngale ngane yakhe bezoqhubeka ihlale ekhaya igcina imithiswa abafana abanama dread yabo igcina imithiswa abafana abangenamsebenzi abayuseless abakhanda izindlu ngizama ukubuka ukuthi ake sibuka ukuthi will it be that wrong if labantu singababuyisela kwe-employment chain basebenze ngoba basenesizathu ukuthi basebenze basenesidingo ukuthi basebenze but into engiyithanda kubona they're very disciplined believe me they're very disciplined they never talk back ubathuma njengengane they do exactly as you ask them and balinde ukuthi kuculisekile ngaleyo nto abantu abadala ke lapho uyabona nje ukuqasha umuntu onengane na 18 months omshiya ekhaya mina ngisetshenzelwa abantu la abangabafelokazi kusetshenzelwa abantu la amadoda basemajele abanye abana option bashiya ingane emakhaya bashiya imizi bavala izinkukhu ziphakele omakhelwane basebenzela babudokotela akuzona ingane lezo those are not youth zona ingane abantu abadala ake siyibukeni le nto ngoba manje lento mesizoyilandela kahle noma mhlawumbe nisetshenziswa le ngane ukuthi ngoba nibuye nilale nazo mhlawumbe I don't know ngoba ngempela iyavela lento ukuthi akekho umuntu ofuna ukuqasha umuntu omdala even ekhumbini yakho umfuna umuntu omdala ufuna umfana omncane ozoyishayisa imoto yakho kulungile kodwa ubalekela ukuqasha ubaba omdala ongezubuya nemali eningi ozobuya nemoto iphila kodwa akabuyi nale mali ebuya nayo mfana asiyibuke nje ngibukhuluma njengoba abadokotela besizojabulile mfana mhla jakhehle ngoba ngizafuna ukuthi ngeke sikhulume ngalento le ngicabanga mhlawumbe izobasiza abantu ake ufake le mithi emthini yakho ukuthi mhlawumbe kunomuthi owukhandayo but unesizathu esihle ufuna nje ukuthi izinto zakho zishintshe uma ukhandela umuntu kodwa into uma uzokhandela ayisithwalo ayisigubhu kodwa umuthi nje umuntu uzofuna into enhlanhla kuwena angikufundisi imithi ungangizwa abangiyonyanga ngikufundisa imithi kodwa ngithi mina ake ngiyakucela ngoba abantu basithembile akukuthathe le mithi okuyifake awungitholele ucadolo hayi ucadolo somile hambe lapha engadini ufuke usema umukha ukhe nezimpande uma usuvutha izinhlabathi ngiqale phansi ucadolo uma uzowukha ngifuna ukhe nezimpande uma usuvutha izinhlabathi uma usuqobe wonke yabo uqobe wonke ucadolo uma usungitholele unsukumbili kahle umasheshisa loyana mesithi unsukumbili umasheshisa ngempela loyana ngoba even ukufaka isilondeni unsukumbili siyashesha uphole leso silonda umasheshisa leyo nto le musu uthole lo muntu ophathwa abasuthu noma abatswana noma ababhedi abathi umritswengi ufaka umritswengi lapha yana umritswengi uma ubuka ungayitshela wena ukuthi uma Isaka akubona uma Isaka bazokurobha kunika uma Isaka abakunika uma ufika lapha eFaradale iphathwa besuthu abambalwa ufika ukuthi nje abakunika umritswengi awudayise la kunendawo lena abasuthu nje abaningi laba baselethu sotho ibona ke bazokunika lo mritswengi lona akufake la phakathi mase uthatha kumritswengi ngesikhathi ufaka uma usuhlanza umritswengi omunye uqolo ube impuphu umritswengi musu uhlanze namafutha embuzi musu ushise lapha empepheni ukhona into ezizokwenzeka kulomuntu khona lento yakhe ayizovuleka ageze ke ngalentuku angenze into angaqhuma ngenza lutho ucado la uqhuma ageze nje lento khona into ozoyibona khona into ozoyibona izinto lezi ekufuza ukuthi ngoba sesibadala sinitshele nje sona ngoba sesibadala sinitshele nje sona nihambe nokwenza nani ibotha nje usizakala yena nginesithwalo lento isithwalo is a secret lesithwalo ngisikhiphela umuntu menawo 100,000 kodwa njengoba ngiselebrate 20 years of my practice 30 years of my practice ngisikhipha ngo20,000 rand ungithengela isigqoko esimnyama nothi ikepisi sewule ivest elimnyama iskipe esimnyama noma ishirt elimnyama ibhluku elimnyama ibhanda ulithenge iande emnyama amasocks amnyama zicathule ezimnyama uze nako kubaba udokotela kodwa lento isithwalo ukusebenza kwayo isebenza ngento esibiza ukuthi full moon ukusebenza kwayo isebenza iminyanga ebigcwele that is how it works isithwalo kodwa ngenze ukuthi wazi ukuthi awuze kumina uzongibuza isithwalo noma isona nje isithwalo kodwa isithwalo esisuke sikunika yona siyakhaka ngo20,000 but mengiqeda i-celebration anniversary of 30 years thereafter ngizoyicelebrate unyaka wonke vese thereafter izobe sesibuyela ku100,000 period as simple as that ngayosakwazi ukusithola futhi otherwise this is Baba Dokotela Boyces Bojabulile wena uyingane ungaphaphela into ongazazi asinike lesithwalo umuntu osekhulile kuphela ngoba lento isithwalo kufuna ngikuveze isithwalo it will make you immense rich but very rich but isithwalo this is Baba Dokotela Boyces Bojabulile mfana Mdletshe Mzulu kama Ncingisi goodbye thank you